Hey guys, another update on the scrap cart here. It's just about ready to go. It's got tires left to put on it. Get in focus here, there we go. I've upholstered the seats. I've give the frame a quick coat of red paint. Nothing super fancy, like I say, it's just a learning thing for the kids. And once they're done with this on learning, they want to play with it, they can. If not, I'll just chop it up and use the parts. But I did the pedals. Gas is green and brake is red there. Help them out a little bit. I've seen that on a couple of the videos. But my first upholster job, really. I did some mini bike seats and stuff. They come out all right, I guess. And not bad for $5 worth of fabric from Walmart. That's all I've really got invested in this, except for when I bought a pile of go-kart parts, and so I really don't have a whole lot invested in this. The motor, I think I've got $70 in the motor. It's a 6-horse motor, a really nice little motor. Clutch chain, all that's off an old go-kart, old mini bike I had. Cables off old mini bike. The only thing I'm going to have to invest in, I think, is some tires. The rear tires have bad beads around. They're pretty terrible. Not much left. The front tires are worn. The side right through, plus there's a hole. Not much left there. So I think for $65 I can get 4 tires. Free shipping off eBay. So I'll have less than $100 in the whole cart. Well, no, sorry, about $125, counting the motor and all, I think, in this cart. It'll be fun for the kids. The next video I throw on it, I'll have the boys driving it, and I can go off on to building a roll cage for the racing cart. So that's the scrap cart. Until the next video, thanks guys.